Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. So do you want to know about Seri More reviews? So here we are guys going to update you with the Sunbias review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also guys, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. And guys, people from the United States and Canada are very curious to know about this site. So make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any points. So first of all guys, in the video we'll discuss about the website's type and the products they offer. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with apparels, bags and bags, headwear, shoes, accessories and many other related products. So guys, if you're interested in checking them out, you have to visit to their official site. So next we're going to check the other details. So first we'll check their payment method. For that you have to scroll it down till the end, and here they've given the options so you can pay through Amex, Discover, then JCB, MasterCard, Visa and many more. Now let's check the shipping timing. For that you have to go to the shipping FAQ, and here they've given their shipping timing. So for the United States, under express shipping timing it takes 4 to 7 days, and in Canada under express shipping timing it takes 6 to 10 days, and under standard shipping timing in the United States and Canada it takes 10 to 20 days, and in Europe it takes 9 to 18 days. And there are many countries, so you can check them out by yourself. Now they mentioned the processing timing as well. So the processing timing can be around 1 to 4 business days. So you can check this out guys. So now guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now we'll talk about the legitimacy factors, with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. And the domain age of this website is 3rd of September 2019, and it is going to expire on 3rd of September 2022, which means this website is quite old and hence it can be trusted. Now if you want to know about their About Us details, so here you can see very clearly they haven't given their About Us details, so this is the drawback of this website. So next, if you want to know about their full contact details, go to the contact page section. But guys, here as you can see, if you go to the contact us page section, you won't find the contact information out here. So in the main home page, they have given their contact details, but they have only given their email address. But guys, the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. Now guys, if we want to know about the social media presence of the site, we have checked, and this website does have social media presence. It has got social media presence over Facebook and on Instagram. Also, we have checked the amount of followers. So guys, on Instagram, it has got over 46,000 followers, and on Facebook, it has over 15,000 followers. So this is a good sign of this website. Now we'll check the return and refund policy. So about the return guys, they mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 30 days. And about the refund, so guys, about the refund timing, so they haven't mentioned about the refund timing. They've only mentioned that they do not grant refunds for shipping or processing times that are longer than what was originally expected, and they do not grant refunds if the customer made the order incorrectly. And they mentioned that you have to check your bank account if you think you are missing a refund. And if it is still not visible, contact your credit card company to confirm the time it takes for the refund to be available for you. So you can check this out. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Seri More reviews, we have found customer review on Trustpilot with a 4.7 rating, and the most of the reviews are positive. Only there are a few negative reviews, so you can check that out. And the trust score of the site is 86%, but the content quality seems to be plagiarized. So guys, in the conclusion of the Seri More reviews, this website appears to be a legit website. This website is quite old. It has got good reviews, it has got strong social media presence, and the trust score is very good. So it seems like a legit website. But We also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review was helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.